Good day, friends channel. So, like I mentioned earlier, it's gonna make some guacamole. It's gonna be quick. It takes about 10 minutes. You just gotta have the right ingredients, and we'll get started. This is gonna be just basic. Well, not basic, but guacamole. Normally, I would put extra either Thai pepper, jalapeno to make it spicy, but this time it's gonna make it normal, just for everybody to follow. All right, and we'll get started. So our basic ingredients is gonna be avocado, of course, tomato, onion, can be any, white, yellow, purple, doesn't matter. Salt, lime, garlic can be minced or it can be fresh, and then of course cilantro, and our tortilla chips. Now before we start it, we want to sharpen our knife. Very easy, we have this knife sharpener right here. All you do is go on the coarse side first. And on the fine side, make it extra sharp. And that's that. That's how easy you can sharpen the knife. Rinse it off. Wash your hands, of course. And we'll get started. So first, hopefully this avocado is good. Been sitting getting ripe for a few days. You're just doing one avocado. And it's pretty okay. It's not the best, there's like black dot there. It's fine, we can scoop around it. We'll try to salvage this avocado. Gonna have to find the perfect timing. This avocados can be finicky, can be tricky sometimes, but we're getting most of it. It's gonna be just a simple, fast. We always keep the seed. I was taught that that's how you keep the avocado fresher for longer. I don't know if it's true or not, but that's what my mom taught me, so that's what I still do. And get most of the good stuff in the avocado. And like I said, it's gonna be just a little bit snack. So how do you determine how much onion and tomato you put in? So I do like to do it, whatever how many avocados you put like about a third of the same amount of tomato and onion. So we didn't put that much avocado. This is just for a simple snack. So maybe that's about a third or so of the avocado or put in a little bit. Oh, by the way, this knife is sharp now. It's super sharp. So there you go. Okay. Yeah, that's about a third or so. Looks like a third to me. Yeah, just gonna eyeball it. Same thing with the onion. About a third of the amount of the avocado we put in. Could be a third, could be a quarter. Something like that. Chop this real fine. Some onion, and then, you know, depending on how much you like onion and so forth, you can put more or less. It's up to you. Then a little bit garlic. Like I said, it could be fresh, it could be just minced. I got this one. Just put a little bit. Again, depends on your taste, how much you want to put. Then got some cilantro from the other day. Like I said, get the napkin wet there and makes this cilantro last a little bit longer. Stay fresher longer. So again, not making a lot of avocado guacamole, so we're just gonna put a little bit. That's good. Like extra cilantro. And rinse it off. Check the extra water, and then chop the cilantro fine. Throw in there. I got some lime. We want to put a whole lot of lime since we didn't put avocado in the first place. Make sure you squeeze it real good. So I guess also do 1/3 of the lime. So 1/3 avocado, 1/3 lime. That makes sense, I guess. A little bit of salt. Mix it in. And like I was saying, you can add really fine chopped jalapeno pepper or Thai pepper. I think Thai pepper is probably the best one. It has a really good after kick. And it should look something like that. Taste it. A little more salt. Again, everything's to taste. Maybe you like extra onion, maybe you don't like so much onion. Maybe you love cilantro. Oh. Perfect. Got some chips. This one has a hint of lime. You can get regular chips, doesn't matter. And you do have to taste it with chips because some chips are more salted than other ones. So that's how you determine if you want to put extra salt or not. And that's it. That's how fast and easy. Wow, we spent like less than 8 minutes. So make guacamole. Again, you want to add extra, make it spicy, add Thai peppers or jalapenos, real fine chopped. What's that, Kaylin? You also want guacamole? Oh my god, my cat. She loves all my cooking. She's the star of the show. That's why I work so hard for these kitties. Anyways, like, subscribe, and I'll post more stuff. Yeah, look at that guacamole. Guacamole, GUACAMOLE. Peace out.